Hello, good day. I'm Rovic Acedo. So today, I'm going to discuss one of the emerging technologies in different areas, which is health or medicine. But before that, let me first define what does emerging technologies mean. What does emerging technologies mean? In the history of technology, emerging technologies are contemporary advances and innovation in various fields of technology. Various converging technologies have emerged in the technological convergence of different systems evolving toward similar goals. Convergence can refer to previously separate technologies such as voice, data, and video that now share resources and interact with each other, creating new efficiencies. Emerging technologies are those technical innovations which represent progressive developments within a field for competitive advantage. Converging technologies represent previously distinct fields which are in some way moving towards stronger interconnection and similar goals. Emerging technologies play a vital role in the modernization of industries. New technologies help in transforming enterprises into a digital world. The technology is mainly helpful in manufacturing, energy, and mobility markets. Top 10 emerging technologies of 2022. First, computing. Second, computer security. Third, quantum computing. Fourth, augmented reality. Fifth, metaverse. 6. Genomics. 7. Internet of Things. 8. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. 9. Cloud computing. And lastly, automation. So now, let's move on the emerging technologies in different areas, which is health or medicine. Emerging technologies in health or medicine. With the current advances in technology innovation, the field of medicine and healthcare is rapidly expanding, and as a result, many different areas of human health, diagnostics, treatment, and care are emerging. Wireless technology is getting faster, and 5G mobile technology allows the Internet of Medical Things, or IoMT, to greatly improve patient care and more effectively prevent illness from developing. Medical technology has come a long way since the invention of eyeglasses and stethoscope. The broader availability of mobile internet, the expansion of a more affluent middle class, and an aging global population are all driving change in the healthcare industry, and associated technology is changing faster than ever before. Remote patient monitoring. With the help of remote patient monitoring or RPM, physicians can now know what is going on with a patient without physically being close. There are several benefits to RPM, including better patient outcomes, faster response time, and significant cost reductions over time. In fact, RPM goes hand in hand with telemedicine in reducing the need for patient travel and mitigating everyone's exposure. Remote patient monitoring. The use of digital technologies to track and gather medical and other health data from patients and electronically transfer that data to healthcare professionals for evaluation, and when needed, recommendations and instructions, and also to reach patients in rural areas and connect patients to specialists who they otherwise would not have access to. The most common type of monitoring were blood pressure, weight, heart rate, and blood sugar, all without having to go into an office or a lab. Digital therapeutics. Patients that have chronic illnesses often require ongoing care from their physicians. This care can include patient education, symptom monitoring, medication adjustment, and behavioral changes. Not only is this care costly, but it is also very time consuming for both medical staffs and patients. Now, there are new digital therapeutics that can fill this role. Digital therapeutics are prescribed by a doctor to a patient for their particular medical condition. These sophisticated software programs can be accessed as apps on a patient's smartphone or through a personal computer. They go through the same rigorous testing as all medications, including randomized clinical trials. Medical conditions that are well suited for digital therapeutics include diabetes type 1 and type 2, cancer, anxiety, musculoskeletal pain, ADHD, asthma, migraines, insomnia, and substance abuse. Technology in mental health. There are several new technologies that have emerged over the past year that can help address a patient's ongoing mental health needs. While most assessments and initial treatments may still need to be completed by a clinician, there are now additional tools patients can use to improve their mental health between appointments. The digital therapeutics mentioned above are uniquely suited for providing high-quality ongoing mental health care. Increasingly, some apps are able to complete patient intakes and provide an initial diagnosis before a patient ever meets with a provider. A traditional therapy method called cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT has been widely adopted and used in digital therapeutics with significant success. When used alongside virtual or in-person therapy in helping patients change their behavior. Internet of Medical Things. The Internet of Things refers to the invisible network formed by physical objects that are connected to the Internet. For healthcare, this encompasses new technologies such as remote patient monitoring, 5G-enabled devices, and wearable sensors. The more than 500,000 web-enabled medical devices are increasingly interconnected to be able to provide the most accurate and up-to-date patient data. Internet of Medical Things or IoT. Smart medical equipment will be able to network with other nearby smart devices as software and technology advance, which will assist improve patient outcomes. Physicians will be able soon to methodically and holistically monitor their patients' health due to this. Data-driven healthcare. Data-driven healthcare can be broken down into three distinct pillars. The use of data by patient and practitioner. The regulation of data to ensure privacy and security. And the innovations that are driving the creation of this data. Data-driven healthcare in order to build data environments that are ready for regulation and capable of ensuring both privacy and security while maintaining the highest levels of patient care. Healthcare is in a position to learn from other industries' best practices and failures. 5G-enabled devices. If the biggest drivers are cutting-edge technology, AI, IoT, and big data, are to reach their full potential in healthcare, they need a reliable and lightning-fast internet connection. Enter 5G. With a reliable real-time connection, the most immediate benefits will be seen in telemedicine, expanding access to care for millions. But that's only the beginning. more connected devices, with more authentic data streams, open up the possibility of a revolutionized healthcare system. Medical equipment with 5G connectivity can record and transmit data almost instantly. As a result, patient outcomes will be improved through enhanced care monitoring. Future thinkers are already analyzing the advantages of a union of robotics, healthcare, and 5G. Nanomedicine. Nanomedicine is the medical application of nanotechnology, the technology that operates on the atomic, molecular, or supramolecular scale. For something or such a small size, the potential is huge. Nanomedicine has applications in imaging, sensing, diagnosis, and delivery through medical services. Nanomedicine designed to help immune cells engage and subsequently eliminate cancer cells.